महाजन।
इबादतों की तरह ये मैं काम लेता हूँ, इबादतों की तरह ये मैं काम लेता हूँ। मेरा असूल है, पहले आप सबको मैं सलाम देता हूँ। Good morning, friends. I welcome you all for this very important session on adult literacy. My welcome goes to our learned speakers who are going to enlighten us about this program. Well, friends, it is said that if you are planning for a lifetime, educate a person. The basic cause of every social, economic, and moral problem facing our country is usually narrowed down to faulty education or lack of education. Thanks to the media and the selfless works of the organizations like Rotary, that people have become more aware of the need and the importance of education. Today, people spend a good length of their lives for education. Government sets aside funds for education. New schemes are devised to provide basic facilities for education. A report published by the United Nations in the year 2014 said that India has the highest population of illiterate adults at 287 million. This was 37% of the global adult illiterate population. The Education for All Global Monitoring Report of UNESCO said that the literacy rate rose from 48% in the year 1991 to 63% in the year 2006, but the population growth cancelled the gains. India is likely to achieve a primary enrollment target of 95% in the year 2015. However, the United Nations report says that the benefit of literacy programs will reach the affluent population of women more, and that the poorer section of the women may be able to get the benefit of literacy program only by 2080. So there comes Rotary into picture. The lesson we can learn is that we have already lost a lot of time in giving due recognitions to education. The right to education as a fundamental right is only the beginning of the process of rectifying this historic wrong. There is a need to have an inclusive, holistic and competent educational system, especially after the poor ranking of the Indian universities among Asian universities. India has to rewrite its destiny through the strength of its knowledge base. Why did a huge section of the population give up on education? There are empty reasons. Poor infrastructure in schools, lack of qualified teachers, especially in the villages and the rural areas, inaccessibility, lack of transport facilities, affordability, lack of toilets for the girl children, and many more reasons are attributed to why many people did not go to school or just dropped out. But I would say that every one of the 287 illiterate adults had a desire to be literate. What seems to have gone wrong is the kind of teaching that asks them to be that which is not possible. The curriculum in the school seems to be a non-possible teaching method for many people. Just because a group of highly educated people got together and drew up a one curriculum fit all programs, it doesn't become right or true. Just because it is printed in books or somebody says it is holy, it doesn't become the correct method to impart literacy to people. People choose to involve themselves in a selective way with life. Those who do not understand this think that there is confusion and problems. Making an illiterate adult learn something must start with building his or her desire to involve themselves with life. This means making the adult enjoy and celebrate whatever they are doing and assist in them becoming more creative. Creativity is the quality that people bring to the activity they are doing, and this will lead them to become functionally literate. The way to give the impetus of the adult literacy campaign is to encourage people to become creative in their work. By thrusting a set of so-called educational aids down their throats, we destroy their creativity. Nobody is born uncreative, but the system has made people uncreative. Adult literacy programs should always be out of love and care for people around you, not a machine like unconcerned action. If we create a wave of consciousness in the people, making them literate will be a natural consequence. The process of becoming literate should not be a drudgery. Pay attention to the uneducated people around you. Something tremendous is happening in their life every moment. When you make people realize that what is of utmost importance is within them, they will become interested in education. When you speak to a group of illiterate adults, you are not giving a teaching, you are only making people thirsty to know. People do not go to gurus for solace. A guru is not a tranquilizer. A guru is there to awaken people. Giving basic education is explosively beautiful the way it is. You don't have to add any frills to it. If you can create the climate of joy and well-being in the minds and emotions of the illiterate adults, then making them literate and everything else will become very simple. The purpose of adult literacy activity is to touch, transact,